here right now is to show y'all how I remove my makeup and then the skincare I do so that, you know, my skin can stay cute and clear without the makeup. But okay, so I'm just gonna start by saying everybody's skin not the same, so what works for me may not work for you, but I'm gonna just give you my routine and hopefully you can try it out and hopefully it'll be good. But I really just use natural stuff, so like it really shouldn't do nothing to you. It really should just enhance the skin that you already have, you know? So I'm just gonna start by showing y'all what I use. So first up, I'm gonna wipe my face off with number 7 makeup wipes, and that's the first step. You know, when you had a long day of fucking makeup, I really ain't had this on long, but still, I be ready to snatch the lashes out. Like, ooh. Oh, bitch, look at the difference. Look what lashes do. The first thing I'm going to start with using is Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. And it says removes excess oil without drying, clinically improves the deep clean skin. And it also really get rid of all the extra makeup that you got on your face. So really you just, you know, wet your face and then put some in the palm of your hands. I don't really put that much, but just a little bit. And I wet my hands again and I just apply it into my face. After that, I'm going to use Aveeno Positively Radiant Brightening Cleanser. And I usually do the Aveeno, let me show y'all what it say. That's right there. I do this at nighttime. And then I do Equate Beauty Confidently Glowing Facial Cleanser in the morning when I get ready to, you know, start my day. Like, that's just like what I use because it like make you raw. But I'm gonna show y'all both on camera so y'all know what I do, like what's the routine. So I'm gonna start with this one because it's nighttime and this is what I use. And you do the same. So my next step, this is still the nighttime part. My next step is I take paper towel and I take Witch Hazel. It don't matter which brand. I take some Witch Hazel and I put it on the on the napkin. I put that on there, and I also put hydrogen peroxide. I don't know why, but I feel like it cleaned my face all the way up. And if I don't got no peroxide, I'm gonna use some alcohol, because alcohol, it burns, but it's gonna get the face to look, you know, everything off. And so that's the thing I do to keep like this, really like prevent breakouts. Like today I was outside and I got bit by a fucking mosquito in my motherfucking face. So this gonna keep it from, you know, getting all big and real stuff. And I kind of just put it all over my face. And that, I'm telling you, this do the trick. This will keep my face motherfucking clear. So that's it for the nighttime thing. And then if my face is really broken out, I just let the Witch Hazel soak in it overnight, and then in the morning I'll moisturize. But sometimes if it's not really broken out, like right now it's not really broke out, I moisturize at nighttime and I use Nivea cream. And I'm gonna put this on at the end because I'm not gonna double moisturize. But y'all know after you do those two steps with the brightening cleanser, Aveeno, and then the peroxide and the Witch Hazel, then you can add a moisturizer. But they really say you're supposed to always moisturize your face, but sometimes I like my shit to stay dry so that it let the Witch Hazel soak up the bumps and stuff, so them hoes can be gone by in the morning. I ain't here to be talking proper. I'm gonna tell y'all what I do and my voice. and my motherfucking mama voice. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on last, but you can put this on at nighttime and in the morning because it's good to moisturize and keep your face, you know, glowing. So the next step after that, so boom, I'm asleep. I wake up, it's morning time. So the first thing I do is take this Equate Confidently Glowing. I'm gonna write it again in the description. And this is what I do next. I do the same thing, drench my face, use it, and then wash, and then pat dry. Wanna get messed up. See, this is my work shirt, so I'm finna take this out because I already been to work today. And usually I don't do this outside the tub, but since I'm showing y'all, I'm gonna do it outside the tub, but I do it while I'm in the shower. And then I just pat dry. Okay. And so after that, if you want to add some more Witch Hazel, I particularly do. Again, because Witch Hazel, like, get rid of the bumps. Like, I'm not playing, y'all. I get a bump, put that Witch Hazel on it. By the morning, it's going to already be going down. It's going to already be coming to the head. So I put it on there all the time to prevent a bump from coming, a bump from thinking it want to come, thinking it's going to creep up on the face. Nah, got something to stop you right there. But anyways, if you want to add some more Witch Hazel, you do. You can. I usually just do this by itself. I don't use peroxide and Witch Hazel mixed together at nighttime. But this, I use it by itself in the morning. And so that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to show y'all the moisturizer I use. And it's an Aveeno cream, face cream. And I put like this much because this shit real thick. Real thick. And I just like rub it into my face. And this gets the job done. Like, your face gonna be so moisturized. And I do this in the morning too. In the morning. Give your face that little glow. And yeah, so excuse the shirt, but this is my skin tutorial. And I'm gonna have the products listed again below if y'all wanna do it. And I hope it works for you because it keeps my skin on bleak. And thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you thumbs up and leave comments below. Suggestions, anything below. I like all criticism. Constructive though, don't be rude. Constructive criticism. And thanks for watching with Beauty Time Without Eye. Bye, girls and boys.